I've been in America for like 3 days and I already miss China so much. For breakfast, I had 2 fried eggs, like very standard, kind of like American breakfast, just like some eggs. If I was in China, I would have DoorDashed. I would have used Ulama, Chinese DoorDash, a fantuan, which is like a rice roll thing with like meat in the middle. I also would have gotten Youtiao, which is like a fried stick, and I would have gotten doujiang. And I would dip the Youtiao in the doujiang, and it's the best combination ever. And I think I would have the most peaceful and best morning ever.